Is you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so I was about to keep going with the conversation. That conversation. Niggas out on bail.
Crazy thing is, she did such a good job. You could still see the braids, you know?
That's what's good.
Like,
that's what's good.
I fuck with her.
That's what's good.
Even though
that mean a lot coming from you.
Right. I'm like, the braids are still in, so they good. Like
I told you, I lost the, you know. Oh shit. I need something good, bro.
Wait, you not gonna wait to the side?
Yeah, I need to stop with him. So they don't.
You wanna do that now or?
No, I ain't gonna do that now. I'm just saying,
saying.
like, get the mushrooms to the side. I know I got a big forehead. That's why I always be jacking the braids to the side. You feel me? I got a big head, period, bro. You feel me? So, like, the braids to the side. I got first time I had them shit was like I was like 16 or something. I was in high school. And them shits worked. Got a lot of compliments on them, and I looked in the mirror. I'm like, alright, head still got the noggin, but when I got them braids going straight back, man, you can see it. I was like an Eminem. Yo, who controls music? That's somebody else shit?
Yeah.
The person ass music. I feel like you should only listen to that type of shit by yourself. That's how you feel. Don't put that on everybody else.
I think that's Milan.
West Side. Who they? One of the West Side Pootie over there.
I don't think you gotta be in a specific mood to listen to this type of music.
To me, it's depressing. That's just my opinion.
Sometimes I feel like, what? You like what they're saying. It's not always depressing though.
I guess if I want to listen to niggas talk about killing niggas, that's depressing too, right? And then why somebody gotta die every time you rap. What it is, I'm be honest, right? When I hear music like that, I feel guilty. I feel like I made her feel like that.
Yo!
I might make somebody else feel like that, you know what I'm saying?
So
that's why I was man, turn that shit, get that shit off, bro. I don't want to hear about the shit I do.
You feel like she's talking to you.
Yeah.
Right.
I ain't gonna lie.
Cause you ain't shit.
Somebody used to tell me if the shoe fit, where would your cap fit? That shit was funny.
Okay, question. Who do you think cheat more, men or women?
I feel like they both cheat equally, but men are sloppier with it, and women are just the most sneakiest creatures in the world. That's my answer for real. It always has. I think we do cheat equally. Because as men and women, we all got that, you know what I'm saying, certain wants and needs that just need to be done. And just like, you know what I'm saying? If you ain't getting it from who you with, some people just like to cheat. Some people just addicted to cheating.
For no reason.
You know what I'm saying? I'm addicted to cheating, but some people who cheat more. Women than men. Like, I really want to say like men probably cheat a little more, but then that falls back into women are sneakier at doing it. So because you really only half the time you really find out if a woman cheated on you. For real. You gotta be lucky to catch that shit. For real.
You think so?
Yeah, or that shit would be left where it was at. But a nigga, you so stupid, you always get caught up doing what you do. You know what I'm saying? Women just hide it better. That's the truth. You know I know.
So, when I think about cheating, I'm just like, damn, I know men are probably just dogs. So that's what I just because me myself.
Yeah, a nigga try to fuck her and fuck her sister, fuck her cousin, like that.
No.
That's a dog I can understand. Now there has been women who have did things like that in the past, but I don't even know how to call it, bro.
Right.
How you argue about the shit you don't know about? It just happened, right? That shit stuck in June. That's what I'm saying? We're in February now. You ain't catching dinner, over, homie. I'm telling you. And she got niggas saved as Amanda. You know what I'm saying? But okay. Really Amanda.
That's so crazy. I feel like kids these days know they got it easier. Like
they do.
They don't know. They don't really know about no courting.
No what?
Courting people. You know, like when you like a girl, stuff you do to like get her attention. I remember you had to really be smooth with it to approach right,
it.
Now
all you gotta do is buy certain things.
You like, you want a bag? You getting this over. And
like, you ain't even gotta buy it for her, you buy it for yourself. Now she gonna assume you got X, Y, and Z.
And now she
and the rest is history.
Right.
coming from the guy with no Instagram, right? Let's talk about that. I hate that shit though, bro.
That you don't have Instagram?
No, how everything just turned into social media and the motherfucking Instagram. Like, you know what I'm saying? When that Do It For The Gram shit came out years ago, kind of like over my head. But now, as you get older, you don't have these certain things, or you don't partake in these certain. It's like, motherfuckers really do it for the gram. Like, you're not even happy with yourself. You doing something so somebody else can confirm that they like what you're doing, or that they, you know what I'm saying? Certain people, they have to post it. They gotta post this, they gotta post that. Oh, yo, take a picture of me so I can. Yeah, you got a caption.
But look, see, sometimes you want to caption
taking over your life, bro.
But no, not all the time. What about the times when you like, I want to keep this moment forever, and I want people to see that I was having fun today?
My thing is just, all right, I feel you.
Right, you know, it's not.
But it's crazy when it gets to a point that, bro, I like, you see people who deliberately gotta stop doing this right quick.
They want to take a picture.
Or something for something. Just, I'm not explaining it as well as I want to. We should have smoked again. This generation is fucked up by social media. That's all I want to say. You know what I'm saying? Remember when niggas was outside? Niggas ain't outside no more, son.
And that's the crazy thing. But we grew up in Brooklyn, though. We in Atlanta now. I don't even see kids outside here.
Shit different.
I don't even see kids outside in Brooklyn no more either, honestly.
It's just different everywhere, huh?
It's crazy.
Except in Texas. Niggas still outside running with that ball.
I love Texas. Yo, I'm coming to Texas to do a class. I think I'm getting an assistant too. Finally.
So you getting an assistant? Niggas just graduated.
Niggas
Ain't you just have an assistant?
No, I never have an assistant. I do everything myself. But now I feel like I can't do everything myself. It's so much stuff that I be like little things, like making phone calls or ordering something. Like I need somebody who can like keep track of inventory or order like the labels and stuff like that. I always forget, and I get to the last.
Somebody work with you.
Right. But then I also need. I don't know. It's hard building a team.
It's hard building a team. It takes time. But one thing, the team will be needed some time, man.
Right.
When you sit there and think, man, nobody really do it themselves. You have to have somebody else to help you do something.
Right.
You need it, you know what I'm saying? Don't you?
Yeah.
There's so much one person can do.
So what it is that my friends all have, like not even my friends, the people who I know would take care of my baby like I would take care of theirs, have their own babies. So you get what I'm saying?
So like real children?
No, not real children. Like what they're like going for, like what their aspiration in life is. If you wanna, they have businesses that are flourishing because they put 110% into that. Like, so I can't ask them to help me, you know, and they need help themselves. If you get what I'm saying. Oh wow, I did not know this was one brain. It's like an S. It goes up your head, goes down your head, and comes around. This is unique.
That's two for you today.
Right? No, I'm just saying. You know, I give credit where it's due.
2020, man.
But I've always given credit. If I like something, I tell people I like it. I show them that I like it. You know, I gotta give them their roses while they alive. Niggas die every day, baby. Tell them who you are.
What's going on, family? I'm my name Riko, and neighborhood guy. Nothing fancy about me. You know, I'm from Brooklyn, New York. Been in Atlanta, going on 4 years this summer. I came out here when Drake dropped that shit all summer 16.
Yeah.
So that's how I know I came out here summer 16. It been cool. Thing I like about it though, I grew up. That's the only thing for real that I like about it. You know, like Pokemon when niggas evolve from the,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? I definitely evolved. I wouldn't trade that for nothing. Keep that mindset that I had before or whatever.
That's crazy.
Feel good to grow, that's it.
I remember when he walked into the shop, he was super skinny. Yo.
So I'm super fat now.
You just don't look like you did 4 years ago.
But boom, this how it really happened.
Okay.
Let me tell you. So,
Go ahead.
so, you know, and like I seen Leon before, you know what I'm saying, but I didn't know who he was. We never spoke. For me, you told her that you wanted to do my hair because she came and told me. So I was like, she's like, you know, I want to do his hair. We just want to shoot. That's my brother now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'll put the video up. I saw the video the other day, like in my phone.
What video you got?
Of that day, like that whole video I did.
Shoot or something like that?
Mm-hmm. I'll post that. A lot of my videos with those views is because of him. Everybody always be like, oh, who that in the chair, who that in the chair? And he don't have an Instagram, so I can't even be like, oh, that's my bro. That's all I could say.
That's it. But hold up, I'm not gonna just sit here and slander Instagram the whole time either, because shout out to all the people who did make it up Instagram and shit.
Right,
you know what I'm
exactly.
saying? Like real shit. People got whole careers now and stuff like that. And that's not the part that's the problem. Me, it's just when you overly excessively everything social media. When all your spare time, you just let me go look at this and that. You know what I'm saying?
Back in the day, it wasn't no, oh, I'm hosting under your picture and I'm not gonna find you. Now it's people all over the world just telling you how they feel, or they could be bullies. You get what I'm saying? And I get why you said you would, like, if you had kids, you would like keep them away from it, because you don't want your feelings hurt by a complete stranger. You know, it's weird that people get on social media and talk about you or make you feel less than because of something they don't like, and they don't even know who you are. That's the fucked up. If you take your braids out, please make sure you comb out your hair before you put water on it. Come on, let's go wash your hair. Woo!
Talk no more like we motherfucking used to. Yeah. And got your friends in your ear like a motherfucking Bluetooth. Yeah. And they telling you what kind of shit about me. Yeah. And it's gonna take some time to get motherfucking used to. Yeah. I wish you playing with fur on my head and make me forget the shit that you said. Cause you say you never ever played me, and now I just can't believe you, baby. Cause it was like the morning blue. I took one look at you, and it was plain to see that you ain't shit to me. So take me away up in space, just to rid me from your lies. And when you was out with your friends, I was hitting up your line. And now it's so clear to see you don't treat me quite the same. Something must be wrong with you. You think your ass can't be replaced, but I know.
So hard to leave, so I delete you. Cause it's killing me, how bad I need you. Why you gotta flex so long? I don't wanna talk no more. I don't wanna call your phone.
So I just delete you.
Yeah.
Don't take me away up in space, just to rid me from your lies. And when you was out with your friends, I was hitting up your line. And now it's so clear to see you don't treat me quite the same. Something must be wrong with you. You think your ass can't be replaced, but I know.
So hard to leave, so I delete you. Cause it's killing me.